Hey there YouTube fam, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular air fryers, the Chefman TurboFry Touch and the Fabuletta Air Fryers. We will be evaluating these products based on various categories to help you make an informed decision. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's get started. When it comes to cooking for the whole family, the Chefman TurboFry Touch takes the lead. With its larger capacity, you can easily whip up delicious meals for everyone in one go. Fabuletta Air Fryers also offer a good size, but it falls slightly short compared to the TurboFry Touch. Both air fryers offer great visibility, allowing you to keep an eye on your food as it cooks. However, the Chefman TurboFry Touch takes it up a notch with its extra-large viewing window and bright interior light. These features make monitoring your food even easier, giving it an edge over the Fabuletta air fryers. When it comes to one-touch cooking presets, both air fryers perform exceptionally well. The Chefman TurboFry Touch offers 4 presets, allowing you to effortlessly cook golden brown French fries, crispy fried chicken, tender meat, and delicate fish. Similarly, the Fabuletta air fryers provide 9 built-in presets for a variety of dishes. It's a tie in this category. If you're looking for healthier cooking options, both of these air fryers have got you covered. The Chefman TurboFry Touch utilizes rapid air technology to achieve perfectly crunchy fried results with little to no oil. Likewise, the Fabuletta air fryers allow you to enjoy meals with up to 85% less oil. It's another tie in the healthy eating category. Now let's talk about the price. The Chefman TurboFry Touch comes with a price tag of $129, while the Fabuletta air fryers are available at $89. Keep in mind that prices may vary, so make sure to check for the best deals before making your purchase decision. And that concludes our comparison of the Chefman TurboFry Touch and the Fabuletta air fryers. Both of these air fryers have their own unique features and advantages. Ultimately, it comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Let us know in the comments which air fryer caught your attention. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.